Well, we're in about the middle, I guess, of the property. Middle of the south side anyway. And we've just followed a couple trails. We found what looks like a pretty good creek bed. Although it just has some pools of water in it, but it's got some really cool rock formations. It's obviously had water in it for many thousands of years to carve out the rocks like this. As we look a little further up, there's some water. In these old creek beds, I mean, the rocks you find are so interesting. Now this section has a little more gravel. There's actually flowing water. So this is an entirely different creek bed than the one that we stumbled on earlier. Very clear water though. And it's clearly flowing, so it must just flow underground somewhere between here and the four-wheeler. This must be another natural spring-fed little creek on the property. Some cool rock formations up there as well. Really amazing property. I mean, there are miles of trails crisscrossing this property. We've been out here, geez, a couple hours, I guess, and we've seen only a fraction of it. If these trails were cleaned up, you could basically have your own private side-by-side and ATV ranch out here. Well, we're going to explore just a little more, and then we'll do a drone video, and we'll get it all on the website. Check it out at InstantAcres.com. Check out the interactive map. This rock bottom in this creek bed is really cool. It's basically like one huge slab of rock for the most part that's been gouged out by the water over tens of thousands of years. That's pretty cool. Really unique property. Wow. InstantAcres.com, that's us.